Hey there, fellow photographers and videographers. Big news for all you Canon EOS R6 Mark II users out there. Canon has just dropped a brand new firmware update, version 1, 2.0 for this flagship camera. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at what this update brings to the table. Right off the bat, you can download the firmware version 1, 2.0 for your EOS R6 Mark II. I'll leave a link in the description below to make it super easy for you. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, what's so special about this update? Well, while it might not be a massive overhaul, it does come with some noteworthy improvements. Let's dive right into it. First up, and this is exciting for all you creative folks out there, the firmware now supports the RF 5.2mm f2.8L dual fisheye lens. This means you can get even more creative with your shots, exploring new perspectives and capturing breathtaking images. Security is always a top concern when transferring your precious images. With this update, Canon has enhanced the security when sending your captured images via FTPS transfer. It's always reassuring to know that your work is safe and sound during transmission. For those of you who are into software development, here's some good news. Canon has added support functions for the software development kit EDSDK/C API for digital cameras. This opens up new possibilities for software developers to create even more useful tools and applications for your camera. Lastly, but certainly not least, firmware version 1. 2.0 includes some bug fixes. While they may be minor, these fixes can help improve the overall stability and performance of your camera. It's always good to see a company taking care of those little annoyances. So, there you have it, folks. Canon's latest firmware update for the EOS R6 Mark II. While it might not be a groundbreaking update, it's clear that Canon is committed to improving the user experience and ensuring the camera remains a reliable choice for both photographers and videographers. If you own an EOS R6 Mark II, I highly recommend downloading and installing this firmware update. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to get started. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more camera-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.